Let's quickly look at how to make these sandals. So I have my supplies here, my twine, lighter and hook, and also I have some triangles for the sandals, even though I will not be using it, but you can use the triangle in the absence of creating your own. But we'll be creating the triangles for this footwear, so we'll start with it. Here I am going to do chains of 6. Okay, this is for our magic ring. So I slip stitch into the first chain and chain 3. Into the ring I'll be working extra 3 double crochets, but first I'll make extra 2 plus the chain 3, which is 3 for now. So I chain 4 and work 4 double crochets into the ring. Okay, so this is how we're going to make our triangle. I've made this. You chain 4 and work another 4 double crochets into the hole. Okay, so this is the shape forming. Now the last part of it. So after, you will notice that we have 3 here, so we are going to complete it here. So I've completed mine, and I will slip stitch into the tip of the first chain 3 we did. This has formed our triangle. So what we're going to do now is to work 1 single crochet in the tip of each of the double crochets we made, and also into the chain spaces we made. So now 1 single crochet in each of it till you get to the chain space. Work 5 single crochets in this chain space we made. So we're going to repeat it for the rest of the chains. So here we go. We are done with our triangle. So slip stitch into the first single crochet you made and cut your yarn. So we will be making 6 of this in total for this footwear. Right, then we start adding our strap. This is our base for the footwear. So I made a mark at the center of the 5 double crochets we made in this chain space. So those places I make mark, we're not going to work on them. So now attach your yarn in the chain, in the single crochet close to the place I'm making mark, and we will start attaching our lasting straps. So I made a chain of 15 here, and I will be working upwards to where the triangle is. Okay, so just work your way down upwards to this place. So when you get here, you're going to slip stitch into the triangle twice and turn your work this way. We'll keep doing this until we get to where I made a mark on the other side. Okay, just single crochet along till you get to the end of the space here. Okay, that's where you're not going to work on. So here I have done it. Is a total row of 8. So I'll cut my yarn, and the lasting strap for one of this thing is ready. So I'll be making this for all of the 6 of them. So 3 now is done for 1 leg. Okay, so the only thing remaining here is adding our lasting strap, our buckle strap, our front strap. Okay, so this is what we're going to do for all of them before joining it. So now this is my lasting strap. The same way you attach this is the same way you're going to attach this one, just that it's longer. So for this one, it is 45 stitches. So it's a baby footwear actually. So this is for the buckle. It is just 8 stitches of 8 rows. Then the front one is 35 rows. So the same way you attach the elastic strap is the same way you're going to attach the other straps. So let's join it together. So you pick up one of the back straps, attach your yarn. Okay, remember you have to leave the space, the one chain that we're not going to work on. So take it this way, slip stitch into the fasten strap and work your way back to the buckle side of it. Okay, so this is how we're going to attach this. It's just as simple as this. Then when you get to the buckle strap, you slip stitch to the triangle again twice and turn it. I attach my bead already to my yarn. So if you're working with bead, you have to do this before you start. So you just have to keep working this way, that way till you get to the end of it, slip stitching to the triangle. This way you're going to attach the buckle strap and the strapping, the fastening strap to the together. Okay, so this is how you do this when you get to the, we're working at the back of it, so do this and turn it. So it's just as simple as this. So keep doing this until you get to the end of it. So now I have finished attaching the back strap together. The fasten strap and the buckle strap is attached together, so it goes this way. So now we're going to attach the front to the buckle strap again. Okay, so not the up part of it, the down part of it, as you can see. So now, just as I did for the back part of it, you're going to attach this front the same way. Okay, so make a chains of 25 here and attach it, not the up, the down part of it, close to the elastic strap. Slip stitch and work your way back. Remember, this is a chain of 25, and the back strap we did earlier was chains of 31 for this. So just keep doing this till you get to the end of it, as we did for the back, connecting the front and the back together. Okay, so now I've come to the end of this. This is how it looks. So I'll just cut my yarn and our vamp is ready. The only thing that is remaining is adding our buckle for fastening. Okay, so this is it. Making TEVA sandals, crochet sandals, is just as simple as this. You can decide not to work with the bead. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is for the left leg, and I've also made the right part of it. All right, so this is the right part of the right. So with our lasting shoe last, let's check how it is. So this is what we got here. So the only thing remaining is adding the buckle to the strap and fixing everything. So here my buckle is fixed and you strap it this way. So I'll quickly couple this footwear and come back and show you how it looks like. You can make it for all sizes, from infant to adult. So I've coupled the footwear. This is size 35. Feel free to adjust it to any size from infant to adult. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, comment if you have any question, and please subscribe.